Good evening to all the respected dignitaries, invited guests, faculty members, non-teaching staff, my beloved research scholars, students, and all other participants from different universities and colleges across the country and abroad attending the seminar through online mode. As we proceed towards the end of an incredibly illuminating, enriching, and enlightening celebration of 166th birth anniversary of Sir JC Bose and a national seminar on the voice of life, we have gathered here for a short valedictory session. So before we proceed, I would like to request our Honorable President of the National Seminar and Celebration today, and the IQSC Director, Professor Saumin Sir, and our Vice President of the seminar, to kindly felicitate all the judges of the oral, poster, and presentation. So I may kindly request Sir Rajiv on the board and Dr. Ma'am to kindly felicitate the judges. So I and to do the honor, I also request Professor JPK sir, but now I request Professor C. The ma'am to kindly felicitate Professor JPK sir.
ভালো করে তোল যা শাড়ি পরেছে না বুকে দেখাতে মৌমাছি আছে মানে উনি আমাকে সেভ করেছে এটা দিতে হবে না না মৌমাছি পুরো চাপ যেভাবে বাড়ছি
Thank you, sir. Before we proceed for the valedictory session, may I now request the HOD, Head of the Department of Botany, the President of the seminar, to kindly grace the chair on the dais. And I also request our Vice President, Professor Sikha Datta ma'am, to kindly grace the chair on the dais. I may also request Professor JPK sir, Jay Prakash Keshri sir, to kindly grace the chair on the dais. I may also request Organizing Secretary Dr. Sarkat Noskar sir to kindly grace the chair on the dais and even Dr. Sir. And I may also request Professor Navakumar Mandal sir to kindly grace the chair on the dais. Thank you, sir. I personally believe that this seminar would not have been possible without the able leadership of our dynamic head of the and president of the seminar, Professor Rajiv Bandyopadhyay sir, our supportive faculty and non-teaching members, and of course, our pillars of the department, our ever-ready, enthusiastic research scholars and students. I feel immense grateful to extend my immense gratitude to Dr. Nitai Chandra Mandal sir, Professor and Emeritus Scientist, Botany Institute, for accepting the invitation and giving us the privilege to hear from him. He beautifully explored us through the journey of contribution of Swami Vivekananda, Sarah Chaplin Booth, Sister Nivedita, and the two modern science of Sir JC Chandra Bose. In fact, it was a mesmerizing experience to relive and revisit their journey, which was shared with us in a lucid manner by Professor Mandu. We also had another extremely brilliant and exciting, thought-provoking, fascinating talk on how the detailed analysis and broad vision, theory and perception of Sir JC Bose have provided the foundation to explore the intricacies and science behind all the factors related to plant electrophysiology and photosynthesis in the most demanded era of openings. You all have had a wonderful and remarkable day with an opportunity to learn and explore the ever-expanding basis of intricate and detailed foundation laid by our visionary, natural and inborn scientist, Sir JC Bose. So with a short personal experience, now I may request Dr. Sarkar sir to deliver his valedictory speech. Please, sir.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and dear participants. It is a privilege to deliver the valedictory address as we conclude the seminar celebrating the extraordinary life and contribution of Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, a luminary whose work continues to inspire generations. Sir JC Bose's life was remarkable testament to curiosity and perseverance, connecting physics, botany, and engineering to unveil the deeper truth of nature. His groundbreaking experiments in plant physiology revealed an amazing truth. Plants who experience pain stimuli, a concept revolutionary for its time. Bose was not merely a scientist, he was a philosopher who believed in the interconnectedness of all life forms. Today, our seminar begins with garlanding the bust of Sir JC Bose, followed by plantation of some mangroves. The inaugural session was honored by the presence of the Dean of Science, BU, Professor Jukta Adhikari, former Professor of Botany, WBU, ACS, Professor Somen Bhattacharya, Professor of Botany and Director of IPSC, BU, Professor Apurva Ghosh from the Department of Environmental Science, BU. Dean of Science, in his speech connected JC Bose's contribution with modern AI technology. Professor Adhikari mentioned that Sir JC Bose was the first biophysicist. Professor Bhattacharya mentioned that Sir JC Bose was actually the worshipper of science. Therefore, the name Bosu Vigyan Mandir was appropriately given by Sir JC Bose. Professor Bose was also remembered the contribution of Sir JC Bose. Today, we had the privilege of learning about several dimensions of life and work through two eminent speakers. The first lecture was given by Professor Nitai Chandra Mondal, former Professor, Bose Institute. This session was chaired by Professor Apurva Ghosh and co-chaired by Professor Tushar Kanti Maiti. Professor Nitai Chandra Mondal eloquently highlighted the role of Swami Vivekananda, Sir Sarah Chapman Gould, the Sister Nivedita in shaping Bose's research journey, revealing many lesser-known aspects of his life. He mentioned the difficulties Sir JC Bose faced in his research by the authority of Presidency College, but nothing could stop Sir Bose. He also mentioned that how donations of Sarah Abdul Chapman helped Sir JC Bose to establish Bose Institute. The second lecture was given by Professor Somen Bhattacharya. This session was chaired by Professor Jukta Adhikari and co-chaired by Professor Shikha Datta. Professor Somen Bhattacharya explored the relevance of Bose's pioneering work on photosynthesis and plant electrophysiology in modern science, offering us fresh insights that inspire our research endeavors. Professor Bhattacharya said that today we are validating research of plant physiology by Sir JC Bose. Professor Bhattacharya mentioned that specialty of Sir JC Bose as his entire research journey was based on his own instruments. Sir JC Bose demonstrated through his experiments that photosynthesis can occur by two distinct pathways. He observed, eventually contributed to the discovery of carbon concentrating mechanisms. Professor Bhattacharya also analyzed Bose's research on plant responses in the light of electrochemical stimuli. Besides, the students and research scholars participated in the poster and oral presentation session. This session was conducted by Professor Nabo Kumar Mandal, Environmental Science, BU, Dr. Anindya Sundar Panja, BIIMS, Professor Tanmay Banerjee, Department of Physics, BU, Professor Joy Prakash Kesri, Botany BU, Dr. Sudipta Mondal, Department of Environmental Science, BU, Dr. Shantanu Koilan, Department of Biotechnology, BU. As we celebrate legacy of Sir JC Bose, let us remember his profound words. The true laboratory is the mind, where behind illusions we uncover the law of truth. Let Sir JC Bose's life remind us that true progress lies in the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of life. Let us take the legacy forward and work to bridge the gap between science, nature, and humanity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the valedictory speech. Now, may I request some of the participants to kindly share their feedback or their experience so that we can improvise to organize such an event in the best possible way in the coming days. So please volunteer, any one of you, and you can just share your experiences. Please come over.
Hello, good afternoon all of you, and thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself along with my words I observed from this to participate in this event. And first of all, I want to thank to my department to celebrating, because my department celebrating such a beautiful program, and I do participate in this event. And obviously I enjoy a lot being a participant, and shows that how my friends are interact their opinion along with their presentations, and all of the things are really very impressive to me. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Not anyone else from the research scholars? Please come over and share your experience. Any one of you.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। খুব ভালো লাগলো সকাল থেকে এসে, এবং গত 3-4 দিন ধরে সবাই মিলে আমরা একসাথে কাজ করেছি, স্যারদের কথা মতো আমরা চলেছি, এবং আলটিমেটলি ঠিকভাবে যে পুরো প্রোগ্রামটা শেষ হলো এবং আমরা একদম শেষের দোরগোড়ায় পৌঁছে গেছি। ভীষণ ভালো লাগলো এবং অনেক নতুন কিছু জানতে পারলাম। প্রফেসর জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু সম্বন্ধে আমরা পড়াশোনা হয়তো করেছি একটু আধটু, ছোট থেকে অনেক বই টই পড়েছি, কিন্তু আমাদের যে এস্টিম গেস্ট লেকচারের কাছ থেকে আমরা অনেক নতুন কিছু জানতে পারলাম। তার কানেকশন উইথ প্রফেসর নিবেদিতা, ভগিনী নিবেদিতা এবং সারা চ্যাপম্যান বুল, এগুলো আমরা নতুনভাবে শিখলাম। এবং আমাদের সোমেন স্যারের আমাদের যে স্পিচের মাধ্যমে আমরা জানতে পারলাম কিভাবে জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু সময়ের এতটা এগিয়ে ছিল, যেগুলো হয়তো আজ আমাদের কাছে অনেক বেশি সহজ বলে মনে হতে পারে, কিন্তু তিনি সময়ের এতটাই বেশি এগিয়েছিলেন যে তার সময়ে তিনি তার দাম পাননি, আজ আমরা দিচ্ছি। সেগুলো শিখলাম এবং প্রেজেন্টেশনের মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন স্টুডেন্টদের প্রেজেন্টেশন দেখেও আমরা ভীষণ খুশি, কি ভালোভাবে তারা এই 1-2 দিনের মধ্যে প্রেজেন্টেশন রেডি করে এত ভালোভাবে দিল। এবং আমাদের প্রেজেন্টেশনের মাধ্যমে আমরা নতুন নতুন জিনিস শিখলাম, আমাদের কাজটাকে আরো ভালো করে করার উৎসাহ আমরা পেলাম। তাই খুব আনন্দে কাটালাম সারা দিনটা। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Now we proceed for another most awaited event, that is prize distribution. But before we proceed with this, I just want to tell one thing. What I personally feel is every individual who have participated and have put their heart and soul into their preparation, irrespective of poster or oral, they are the winners. Okay? So only thing is, there is a customary thing that we have to acknowledge some from the lot. That's why it's we are just handing over the prizes to the respective winners. Fine. So with that, now I would like to request I have the list for the oral presentation. Okay, the winners list for oral as well as poster, both the RS and PG students. So I'll begin with the research scholars. For oral presentation and to do the honor, I request Professor JPK sir to kindly do the honor. So we have in the third position we have Mr. Subroto Mondal for oral presentation. sir. Now in the second position we have Joy Mon. And in the first position we have Samad Banerjee.
Guide permission from judges, JP sir is here and আমরা এটা আমাদের কুইজটা যেহেতু অফ করেছি আমরা এটা কনসোলেশন প্রাইজ রাখছি আমরা ওই বইগুলো নিয়েছো তাহলে তোমার কুইজের গুলো হ্যাঁ
So I may request Indrani Ghosh to come over and receive the prize. Or anyone on her behalf can receive the prize for her.
এআই করে ইন্দ্রাণীর মুখটা ছবিতে লাগিয়ে দিই।
सबके लिए होगा जो जितना पार्टिसिपेशन है ना इधर सबका रहेगा कंसोलेशन प्राइज मंडे मिलेगा के लिए होगा
Okay, now we move forward for oral presentation of PG students. For this, I would like to request Professor Dr. Asuk sir to kindly do the honor. And we have, in the fourth position, we have Roop Katha. Contributing class. in the third position we have Anushka Chakraborty. In second position we have Motoshi Mondal. And for the first, do you have any guesses? Okay, your guess is correct. Trisha Mandal received the first prize. Thank you, sir. Now, we will proceed further for poster presentation, beginning with research scholars. And to do the honor, I request Professor Jayaprakash Keshri sir to kindly do that honor. Oh, so I request Professor Shikha Datta ma'am to kindly do the honor. So consolatory prize goes to Pratibha Joyman. In the third position we have Moshati Ta. And in second position we have Suman Kumar Sharma. Now again for first position, do you have any guesses? All voted? Yes. Pinaki Da. Pinaki boy. This is the first prize for poster presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now we are going to distribute prize for poster presentation for PG students. So in the consolatory prize we have Atashi Mandal. Atashi Mandal. Okay. And group. So I would request all the participants to, whoever has participated in preparing the poster, you all can come in group. Okay, second we have Saudip Dash and group. Saudip Dash and group. Okay, sorry, like Saurabdeep Dash and group is second. Okay. Then we have third, Devoshmita Vishwas and group. And the first prize goes to
নিজেরাই জাজ করতে পারে স্যার পরের বার থেকে আর জাজ লাগবে না এসব এআই হয়ে যাবে এটা কোন জাজ জেনেটিক্স আছে এটা ক্রিটিক্যাল গ্রুপ আমাদের গেটগুলো যে ডেকোরেশন দিয়ে করছে দেখেছেন এই গ্রুপটা মোস্টলি কন্ট্রিবিউট করে যাবে
Thank you, sir. Now, as we are towards the end of the ceremony, I request Professor Shikha Datta ma'am to kindly deliver vote of thanks.
Thank you all. Our President, Professor Rajiv Bandyopadhyay, I would like to express my heartfelt thankfulness to our departmental head who took most initiative to celebrate this occasion. Prior to giving the thankfulness to all of who are related to this and involved this program, I would like to express my homage to Professor Jagadish Chandra Bose, who is the center of this today's program, and the organizer, the total organizing committee of the Department of Botany. A big clap. Initiatives to make it a grand success. I am extremely thankful to our honorable invited speaker, Professor Nitai Chandra Mondal, Bose Research Institute. I am extremely thankful to my colleague and senior Dada, Professor Bhattacharya, who was also a speaker to the today's program. I would like to express my sincere thankfulness to all of the teachers and the faculty members coming from different departments like Apurva Ratan Ghosh, Professor Apurva Ratan Ghosh, Professor Nava Kumar Mondal, Dr. Sudipto, Dr. Shantanu, Dr. Tanmoy, and last but not least, Dr. Anindo, who was present all along from starting of the program and still now he is present. I am expressing my thankfulness and my heartfelt loving to all of my loving students and the research scholars, my brilliant research scholars, our brilliant research scholars, as well as the students who took initiative and not only that, also participated in various ways in poster presentations, in oral presentations, and as well they were also prepared, I know that, for quiz contest and for their initiatives and for their performance. Hope they will do better and better in the near future. And the Department of Botany started this journey for last few years, and today's occasion was most illuminative. And I am also thankful to all the media members, to all the judges, to all the students, research scholars, non-teaching staff of the department, especially the media persons who were there, and the Prashar Bharati, media person from Prashar Bharati, my younger sister, as well as my brother Mukul Rahman, who was also there constantly for our head of the department. He took the most initiative, even an YouTube channel also, so totally visual to this YouTube channel. And for this brilliant performance of all of our students, all of the research scholars, photography for Joy and others, the associates who are taking initiative, and their labor intensive program, it is a labor intensive program, but we didn't get fatigue. The program was so brilliant, we didn't feel fatigue. And lectures was also very brilliant. And with these few words, we are also thankful to our Honorable Dean, Science Faculty, the University of Bardwan, who was also present here. For some official and technical issues, our Vice Chancellor and Register, they didn't come, but they wishes their grand success and best wishes for making this program a great success to our head of the department, Professor Rajiv Bandyopadhyay. And we also become thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, our Registrar, who were the most important dignitaries of the today's program. And mostly we are also thankful to the University Authority for providing us some financial support for carrying out this program. And hope with these few words I am concluding. And we are expressing that we are very hopeful that in next year this will be more and more colorful. And our head sir was talking several different types of programs, also small programs like quiz, etc. That is not done due to time constraints. And in the next year we will start earlier. Next year, okay? Thank you. And our energetic teacher, Nishika ma'am, she was doing also. And all the faculty members, my dear colleagues, they were taking most painstaking, they were taking more and more duties and responsibilities for carrying out the whole program. So I am also thankful to all of my dear colleagues and friends, as well as to all of my beloved students and research scholars. With these few words, I am concluding, and also I am announcing that this program is now comes to an end.
Thank you, madam, for vote of thanks, and thank you everybody. আমি খালি স্টুডেন্টদের বলবো ফার্স্ট সেমিস্টারে বা থার্ড সেমিস্টারে যে তোমরা অন্যান্য স্টুডেন্টদেরকে এনকারেজ করো। তোমাদের মধ্যে একটা প্রথমে হেজিটেশন ছিল, আমরা ওরাল দেবো না, আমরা প্রস্তাব দেবো না, এনি হাউ আমাদের রিসার্চ স্কলাররা তোমাদের বলেছিল, তোমরা তাদের কথা শুনে
লাইভটা অফ করতে হবে তো। এই ব্যাগটা নেবো, ব্যাগটা নিয়ে এখন যাবে কি চিনে যে ফটো তুলতে যাচ্ছে না সবাই, হিসাব নেবো না, বাকি নিয়ে নেবো। আবার কি করবি? রাজেন্দা কই, রাজেন্দা কই? হ্যাঁ, প্লেটগুলো দেখ ধুয়ে রেখেছি, আর বাটিগুলো এখনো ধোয়া হয়নি, প্লেটগুলো ধুয়েছে। ঠিক আছে, বলছি এটা বন্ধ করবো কি করে? হয়ে গেছে বন্ধ? এক্সিট করে কি করে? টু স্টপ স্ট্রিমিং।